Okay, everyone, this is Coffee is Miss Sunshine, and let me turn up the volume. Okay, good. I got the volume going, and let me turn down the TV back here, so we get no copyright. Okay, I made it back from Popeye, so chicken is still nice and hot. My biscuits are still warm. We're gonna put some butter on them. So I got the, you know why it was so crowded? This is Tuesday special, 2-piece chicken for $2.49, and a biscuit. So people really gets. He said that's every Tuesday. It's the same way like the chicken sandwich, getting this Tuesday special. They had a lot of special, like the voodoo chicken. The meal I got, the tenders, and the Tuesday 2-piece special for $2.49. I guess you can't beat that. You spend about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about $11. You still got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pieces of chicken. So I guess that is a good deal. And I got my tenders biscuit. Let me show you what I did. I put some pickles in it right now, some Clausen's. I got regular and spicy, and I got the apple pie for later. A little hot sauce. I don't know which one is spicy, but I'll find out in a minute. And my sides, I got coleslaw. Yum, yum. String beans. Oh, I just opened the fork, didn't I? Yeah, I already got one right there. Okay. Get my trash bag. I'm gonna get some honey on deck. Keep that biscuit by the other chicken so I can stay hot. Put all the extra stuff over there. And for my drinking water, let me put that trash there so I can have that. So let's say the blessing and get into my mukbang. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this chicken. Let it be nourishing to my body and mind for Christ's sake. Amen. Lord, bless my viewers out there. You know what they stand in need of, their desires and wants. Keep their families and all of us safe in your precious hands. Amen. Hi, OGs, to my OGs and to the ones that just tuned in, the newcomers, welcome, 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 welcome. Oh, and I got some Molly Gras mustard dipping sauce to go with that too. String beans are nice and they're not hot, but they're not far from it. And they got the bacon bits in it. Or is that ham? Coleslaw. Oh, good. Can't go wrong with Popeye. I guess I can make a sandwich myself. Biscuit, chicken, coleslaw, put hot sauce on there, put some pickles on there, honey biscuit, slider, mini slider, look at that. Coleslaw, chicken, pickles on a biscuit with honey and butter. That's good. I'm watching Mike Epps, the comedian. Good boy. Mmm. Mmm. Only thing is different is not the Bichon, I mean, Brion bun, but it's a biscuit. It's good. I told the manager at Popeye's Chicken, I'm gonna let everybody know. Watch my channel about the chicken, but they gotta get ready for Sunday. He says, he said, I don't know if I'm gonna be ready for that. He said, it's gonna be crazy Sunday. I said, okay. I advise everybody to go early. Be there when they open, 10 o'clock or 11. Because people are gonna be up there, because the radio is announcing all the chicken places supposed to have it this weekend. Some people already have it, they said. He said, if your chicken house Popeyes don't have it, they're gonna have it, all of them gonna have it this weekend. And he was right. Radio station was right. You heard our manager here at our chicken house said they're gonna have it Sunday. They coming in Saturday night, the delivery. They're gonna start getting it together for Sunday. It's gonna be a madhouse frenzy. Everybody gonna be there. It's gonna be like a concert. But everybody was going for that special. I know that. I was passing by and I was like, damn, look at the line. That's when I just assumed that the chicken was there. I forgot about the other specials that are going on. The drive-thru was packed. And out the driveway, the inside was crowded. I was like, wow. Right here, I got my phone so I can videotape it. I said, oh, wait. I'm eating like a beast. This is so good. This morning I did have breakfast. I had a ham and egg English muffin sandwich. I had a salad for lunch. But I had my breakfast like at 5:30 this morning. It was 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. And I had the salad around 11:15. So you see what time it is now. So I was like, I'm hungry. I sound like a lot, but there's, the sandwiches are small. English muffin, just one. And then a chicken salad, a small one. Salad. So how's everybody doing? Okay. Mm. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna hold you. I just come to with a short mukbang. I hope you guys checked out the Halloween Fest videos. There's 3 parts. It was really super nice. I enjoyed it more than the kids. They had so many activities and arts and crafts and vendors and all kind of games and rides, and they made it so nice for the kids to enjoy the Halloween festivities and be safe and get candy. They know where they got their candy from. And that was the main thing. So you have to worry about trying to take your kids trick-or-treating it later at night, which would be Thursday, because most people are working anyway. So I had Halloween early, plus the pumpkin patch, plus at the Palmdale Square. There were 3 activities here in the Antelope Valley area for the kids. The pumpkin patch came first, and then the Palmdale Square by the Palmdale Library and Lancaster the same day. One of the guys who were putting up the stuff was telling us it was going to be Sunday, but it wasn't. We went Sunday. It was all down. We was on our way to Lancaster when we asked about the information, because they were putting up the tents and bringing the stuff out and etc. So I guess he misinformed us, but it was okay, because Lancaster was really nice. Really nice. Okay, I'm going to keep macking and smacking. Enjoy my chicken, you guys. I love y'all. Trying to come with a mukbang. I've been super, super busy. I got to get up in the morning and get back on my grind. And I'll get a chance to breathe. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Breathe after tomorrow. Wednesday and Thursday. Then you know it's the first of the month. Man, I'm full already. That hit the spot. I had to throw something down my neck. Okay, you guys, I love you. And don't forget to treat people like you wish to be treated. God is love. Don't forget to what? Subscribe. Hi, Almighty. Hi, Sugar Pie. Mwah. Love you. And you guys take care, okay? And have a lovely Over the Hump Wednesday. You guys be safe out there. Okay, bye. Love you.